everyone has made an excuse to not come to this elaborate, fabulous banquet that this master decided to put on. No one has decided to show up today. So he, at this point, is angry. He's furious. He is feeling the rejection of his community, of his friends, of his peers. And he did not expect that at all. And so with that, he became so hurt by that. And in a sense, I'm not saying hurt in such a way he grieves, but he was amazed that no one wanted to. Just imagine the Queen or the President of the United States invited you to a dinner and you chose not to go. Imagine. Most people will think that you're crazy because you already know you're having the best of foods, the best of everything, and yet they chose not to do it. That was some type of rejection. And I don't know about you, but I don't like rejection. How many of you know, how many of you can deal with rejection? Sometimes rejection is good, don't get me wrong. And sometimes it is good that you experience rejection, but yet who do we know constantly who likes rejection? Who deals with rejection? So I have a definition of what rejection was based on the biblical aspect of it. He says to throw away,